Good afternoon. This is David with David Yacht Service, and we are looking at a running takeout atomic 4 engine rebuilt a few years ago by one of our professionals in the industry, and been with the current owner until he is now going to dispose of his boat and get a new one. So I've acquired it and have checked it out, and it's in pretty nice shape and it runs very nicely. So I'm going to be offering it up for sale as a running takeout, not as a rebuilt. It's a good way of saving you a whole lot of money, and if you need an engine, here's one that is ready to go. So I'm going to reach down here and grab the remote and start it up, and we're going to let the camera run while I do that so that you can see how easy it does start. And we'll go back off of it here a ways again, and here we go. Got to plug in the ignition switch, forgot that. One thing they don't run without is an ignition, so we've got the ignition turned on now, so here we go. Oh, big difference. Yeah. Kind of have dialed in the carburetor so you hear that pop, pop, pop. It's burning really well. I'll stick my hand up in the exhaust, and we'll also stick it down on the